All right, what's up, guys? Shout out to the team over at EDJO. They sent me this ergonomic wireless keyboard and mouse that's basically designed to just create a more comfortable typing and mouse setup. It has this curved like keyboard design and immediately stands out because it encourages like a more natural hand position while typing. And I also like that it has built-in wrist support right here, which is super convenient for like longer work sessions. The mouse also, it's super ergonomic. Like when it's in your hand, it fits absolutely like perfect. It's like super, super comfortable. This is definitely like a really good combo set for just like home offices, remote work, even everyday use. It is Bluetooth also, which is super cool. So connects super effortlessly to your devices. And then down here, under the mouse, it has a built-in USB connector, which is super cool. If anyone has any specific questions, just drop them below.